You can tell it would be great for moisturizing.
Really natural color.
Let's shake it.
Yay! It definitely looks much more natural than just using a thick pad.
Hi JOLSEs, it's Lauren today.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Lauren's friend Sophia.
I don't know if it's just me, but my For You page is full of interesting beauty hacks. Sophia, have you seen any of these ridiculous beauty hacks?
Yes, many. One that I thought was absolutely ridiculous was a video saying that putting toothpaste on your hair would bleach it.
That seriously makes no sense. But the beauty hacks we prepared today actually seem kind of believable.
Right? We only picked ones that felt worth trying. So, shall we get started?
Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to try the first one. It's the Amy Budget Body Care hack that went viral on Reels. They say it helps with back acne, prevents underarm darkening, and even takes care of rough heels all at once. And the way you make it is really, really simple. Okay, so how to make.
Pull the lever, crunk.
We have the Vaseline here. This is really satisfying. I feel like I've always wanted to just like take a gigantic...
Take a complete scoop. Yeah.
Here you go.
Ooh. So I'm so excited to see where this goes. What's next?
We also need to mix equal parts rice bran oil. Ooh, that's how you do it. Yes. This feels like a lot. Is this correct?
Yeah, it is correct.
It was a little bit more, but wow, this does feel like baking. So I heard this is supposed to be super moisturizing.
Vaseline is already really good for moisturizing, right? And mixing it with oil might make it even better.
I think so too, and I'll try applying it myself. So this is my current elbow. I am a melanated individual, so I do have that extra melanin. Maybe have some brightening there, I'm not sure.
I feel like you're basting yourself like a turkey.
This does feel like basting.
Ooh.
So I mean,
look at that glow.
That's kind of crazy though. I feel like I'm getting ready for a beauty shoot actually. I like it. I'd recommend. It feels super rich and to the point where you can instantly tell a difference. And honestly, just by looking at it, you can tell it would be great for moisturizing. And I'd especially recommend this for very dry skin types or for those experiencing very dry winters like us in Korea right now.
Oh yes. So this time it's my turn to try. This hack is for my JOLSEs who feel sticky from sweat during the summer or who want their favorite scent to last longer. This is the scented powder DIY hack. It helps you get soft and powdery and feel longer lasting fragrance at the same time. Just follow the steps a bit carefully. I have prepared the Tone 28 Mindful Body Oil and the KEYTH Perfume Bodied Oil Lotion for this DIY. Usually people use perfume or body mist when making this, but I love the scent of these two so much that I use them almost like a perfume. So let's get started. Okay, this is my first layer. We're gonna take the cotton puff and we're gonna drench it in this body oil. This one is scented like rosemary, and I don't know if you are aware, but it smells amazing. So I'm super excited to show you my version of this. We're gonna soak this cotton pad, and I'm gonna add the first one in here like that. Next, I'm going to put another layer like this. Next puff, and we're gonna completely drench it in the KEYTH body lotion, okay? So after I soak this cotton pad in this lotion, I'm just gonna add it in here for my next layer. And basically you just keep repeating this. So I wanna get your opinion on this smell, Lauren.
Let's take another whiff, let's see. Ooh, that's really nice.
Isn't it really
Wow.
nice? I feel like this is such a sophisticated but herbal and cozy scent. That's why I love this combination so much. But what are your thoughts?
Yeah, definitely herbal, like that's the perfect word for this. It also smells like just really expensive.
Right? Doesn't it smell kind of like clean as well?
Yeah.
Like a rich, clean hotel bed sheet. I love it so much.
Yes.
And then you're gonna take the puff. This puff is what you're gonna use to put it on your body,
Okay.
right? So it's gonna be a powder puff like this. So after you're done with that, you're just gonna close it and keep this for whenever you need to smell amazing. Okay, so now that we're done with that, we're going to shake it.
Let's shake it.
Yay! And it's done. I've heard some people say that you should let it sit from anywhere for a day up to a week. But, well, some people use it right away too. And I'll try applying it right now. And I'm gonna put it right on my arm. Ooh. I can imagine how good this would be in the summer.
Oh.
Like to keep from getting sticky. Wow, you want to take a whiff of that?
No. Oh, wow, that's really nice.
Right? It's really strong too,
It's
right?
very strong,
This
yeah.
is why it's good for making the scent last longer. I don't think it's bad at all. Guys, when you make this, you have to use something with a strong, good scent. The KEYTH Perfumed Body Lotion, this one is in 240 milliliters. This is the scent at her apartment. It has amazing scent projection. And the oil smells really great too. So I think it turned out really well. I also recommend mixing the scents. The Tune 28 Mindful Body Oil blends in nicely, and honestly, I'm really satisfied.
Sounds so nice, and it sounds so perfect for summer too.
It is.
And also mixing the scents is actually really a good idea too.
Yeah.
You can kind of build your own scent.
It's
which is
one of my
nice.
favorite parts of it. If you try it, keep it clean and stop when irritation happens.
Next up is something we've really seen everywhere. If nose contouring feels hard, JOLSEs, gather around. It's the fork nose contouring hack. It honestly feels like something made up for makeup beginners, I think. Let's try it.
So, the products I brought to try today are the KARADIUM Cream Cheek Stick for shading and the Hince Second Skin Cover Concealer in shade 21. I brought both because they were recommended to me, and I heard the KARADIUM shading has a really natural color, so it shouldn't be too hard for beginners to use. But it turned out to be pretty chunky stick. It seems like it would be hard to apply between the fork when doing the nose contour. So, ta-da! I brought a thin brush and I'll try doing the nose contour now. Let me try taking a bit of this with the brush first. And I'm so excited because I heard really good things about this color, right? So I'm gonna take the fork and I'm gonna put it like this. And so with the shading part, I'm going to do it on these sides of the nose, right? So you put the darker shading on the side.
It looks like it's working.
Can you tell already?
I think I can see how it can work.
Do you think I put enough or should I put some more?
Let me take a look. I think you put enough. I think it kind of got onto the unwanted parts, but
Right.
I think you did it.
So now for the highlighter, I'm going to put this hince down the middle of my nose. I've heard many good things, so
Gotta use the fork.
this middle part right here is where I will apply the highlighting shade.
I mean, hey, it's a straight line.
Since both the contour and the highlighter products I brought are cream types, they blend really naturally. So I think it will turn out not that bad. Let's take the puff and let's go and try this. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere.
Wow, it actually looks really good.
Thank you,
amazing.
right? So I think it turned out not bad at all.
It looks way more natural than expected, actually.
I mean, who knew about face contouring with a fork?
Listen, just grab your utensils.
I mean, I would love to see your turn now with a little cheek moment going on.
Me too. I'm very, very curious about this one. Let's see this face contouring with a fork too. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna place the handle of the fork right under the cheekbone and apply the contour shade, okay? And then we're gonna remove the fork and then blend. And that's it.
You got this.
Let's see. I think I'm only gonna go down
maybe
that
closer
much.
to the fork, right? Wow, it definitely does work as a guide, so beginners might get some help from it.
Definitely. Okay. Got some on the fork.
That's okay.
Okay, well, hey, this product actually comes with an applicator sponge.
Ooh.
So we're just gonna go ahead and use that
Nice.
to blend it out.
Wow, this is kind of working.
Yeah. Okay. It's really fun and it gives you a good guideline to where to put the product.
Yeah, I wouldn't really recommend it. It's interesting, but it doesn't really feel like something I'd actually use every day.
I'll just use my fork to eat.
JOLSEs, don't you feel like acne patches show way too much? I wanted something that covers more naturally, so I brought a hack. Yes, this hack is using a peel-off mask as a trouble patch. Here's how to do it. Okay, so I'll start by applying the wrapping mask to the area I want to cover. Maybe just about that much. Okay, and I'll try to cover right here, my mole. Super thin. Okay, now I'll wait about 10 minutes.
Oh, I'm excited. I've seen people use peel-off masks under makeup for glow.
So what I'm going to do next is take a little bit of the concealer on top of the dried mask pack, like this, and then I'm gonna blend it. Ooh. It definitely looks much more natural than just using a thick patch. Personally, I think it's pretty good, but personally, I wouldn't recommend this if you're a beginner. Using a regular acne patch seems much faster and safer. But if you can get your skills up, this seems like a pretty cool hack.
Okay, finally the last beauty hack. So don't buy expensive glitter body oil, JOLSEs. We can make exactly the one we want with this glitter body oil DIY.
This one is seriously so pretty. I really hope it works out.
Okay, so how to make this body oil?
Okay, so first, I brought the fwee Glitz Stone Highlighter. You know how fwee products always have such a beautiful shimmer.
Right, I love the fwee Glitz Stone Highlighter too. It applies really well, and more than anything, it's pure sparkle. Then let's start by crushing the glitter shadows we brought.
Yay! Okay, well honestly, it feels like such a waste, but let's just do it anyways. I'm excited. Okay. Oh,
it hurts.
Beautiful glitter.
It hurts.
It hurts a bit.
Okay. And now let's put the oil and the crushed eyeshadow into the empty container.
Oh, I'm so excited for this one. I love body glitters and body oils.
Same.
You know what would make this even better? What if we added scent too? Right?
That will definitely turn it up.
You can add any scent you want, and I think a few squirts will be enough. Okay, I'm going to start putting my glitter in here. Oh, is it kind of working? What? This is extra Lauren's beauty hack. And so I can smell good too, I'm gonna add some of the perfume in mine as well. And now I think that we're ready to mix this up.
You can already see how sparkly it is. And since the color shows up on the highlighter shade, oh, this is for my arm.
Look at that.
Wait, that's gorgeous.
It looks like such a gorgeous glittery cloud
Yeah.
inside the bottle.
Like you can already see how sparkly it is, and since the color shows up based on the highlighter shade, it's actually fun choosing and mixing your own, you know?
Oh yeah.
Will we try applying it on our arms?
Ooh.
Let's see. Oh, and just a heads up, it can get on your clothes, so if it's heavy, it might stain, so just keep that in mind.
I mean, who want glittery clothes?
Right, you can have a glittery body and clothes.
Okay, shall we try some?
Yes, let's try it. You know what, I'm gonna put it on the arm that I already moisturized up. Be extra glowy and glittery.
Ooh.
Let's see. Wait, I'm really
Oh,
excited.
and it smells so good as well. Right?
I'm gonna have to take this home.
Not to mention it's also moisturizing.
Yes.
This is so beautiful. I feel like the highlighter from the fwee Glitz stone really shows up just as it is. When using highlighters or eyeshadows you're not using anymore, it feels like you can really make a glitter oil exactly the way you want without wasting anything.
Exactly, the best part of it is being able to make it with the shimmer and scent I like without buying an expensive product. When applied, the body just looks so glowy and sparkly. It's like really pretty.
It is, and it smells so amazing. Wow, so this is just a must recommend. It's an absolute essential for the upcoming spring and summer, Jolsies.
All right, Jolsies. Today we tested out the beauty hacks that were trending on Reels and TikTok. How did you like it? Which beauty hack was the most satisfying? For me, it had to be the body glitter.
Oh yeah.
Body oil.
This was so much fun. Some of them were surprisingly good. And for me, my favorite also has to be the glitter body oil.
Out of all the beauty hacks we tried today, which one stood out to you the most? Let us know in the comments.
We hope today's video helped make beauty a little bit smarter for our Jolsies. We'll be back with even hotter content in the next video. Bye!